Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Today in this video we will discuss some previous year questions of MLI 102. So let's start with first question. Discuss Fayol's principle of management. Explain their relevance in the management of libraries and information centers. आपको फ्योल के प्रिंसिपल है 14 प्रिंसिपल है वो आपको एक्सप्लेन करने हैं. ठीक है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट. टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट से आप क्या समझते हैं. डिस्कस इट्स रेलिवेंस इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन सर्विसेज. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है डिस्क्राइब द टेक्निक्स ऑफ वर्क एनालिसिस एज अप्लाइड टू लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर्स फॉर effective मैनेजमेंट. Fourth question is describe in brief the behavioral approach towards leadership. Fifth question है discuss the need, purpose and application of human resource development in libraries and information centers. Human resource development की need, उसके purpose और उसके application के बारे में discuss करना है. Sixth question is define the term budget. Budget को define करना है. Discuss the importance as well as the role played by library statistics and library standards in the preparation of a library budget. Seventh question है describe the characteristics of information as a commodity. Explain how far the marketing concept are applicable in libraries and information centers. Eighth question is the prices of information products and services depend upon their demand and supply. Discuss. Ninth question है इसमें आपको शॉर्ट नोट लिखना होगा. क्रिटिकल पाथ, जीरो बेस्ड बजट, परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल, इशू इन डेवलपिंग ई मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ प्लानिंग. 10th क्वेश्चन है डिस्कस इन ब्रीफ सैलिएंट फीचर ऑफ मॉडर्न थ्योरी ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. मॉडर्न थ्योरी के फीचर्स आपको एक्सप्लेन करने हैं. 11th क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय टोटल क्वालिटी अप्रोच. डिस्कस हाउ TQM टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट कैन बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन लाइब्रेरीज एंड इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर्स. 12th क्वेश्चन इज डिस्कस डिफरेंट चेंज मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रेटजी एंड गिव एन आउटलाइन of factors affecting the choice of change strategy. Explain the characteristics and processes of operation research. Discuss its application in libraries. Explain major factors that shape human behavior. Discuss any two content theories of motivation. 15th question है what types of conflicts generally occur in an organization. Explain how can these be resolved. Explain the concept of costing. Discuss its applicability in library and information centers. What do you understand by marketing approach. 18th क्वेश्चन है इनमें से किसी एक पे आपको शॉर्ट नोट लिखना होगा. ठीक है. ब्यूरोक्रेटिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, डेलीगेशन ऑफ अथॉरिटी, टाइम एंड मोशन स्टडीज, सोर्स ऑफ फाइनेंस फॉर लाइब्रेरीज, इंफॉर्मेशन मार्केटिंग. 19th क्वेश्चन है डिस्कस इन डिटेल न्यू क्लासिकल थ्योरी ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सप्लेन वेरियस प्रिंसिपल एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स इन्वॉल्व इन प्लानिंग फंक्शन ऑफ अ लाइब्रेरी एज अ मैनेजर. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय MBO. डिस्कस इट्स एप्लीकेबिलिटी एज अ मॉनिटरिंग एंड कंट्रोलिंग टूल इन लाइब्रेरीज एंड इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर्स. नेक्स्ट है discuss in detail different components of human resource planning. Explain the term performance measurement. Discuss the different performance measures that can be applied in libraries and information centers. Next is discuss the concept of demand, supply and price with appropriate diagrams. Describe how these concepts are interrelated. 25th question is what do you understand by a budgetary control system. Discuss its merits and demerits. Discuss the procedure of selecting appropriate marketing mix for e-marketing of information products and services. Write a short note on benchmarking, classification of cost, break-even analysis, laissez-faire, type of systems. दिसंबर 2021 का प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस है. डिस्कस फ्यॉल्स प्रिंसिपल इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट ऑफ लाइब्रेरीज एंड इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर्स. ये क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड है, ये पहले भी आ चुका है. Explain the process of change management. Discuss the change management strategies that can be adopted by a library and an information center. Next is, how do you measure performance of a library? Explain the different measures along with their merits and demerits. Explain different types of conflicts and discuss their negative and positive consequences. What is HRM? Differentiate between macro and micro approaches to HRM. Discuss the relevance of segmentation in marketing. Explain the strategies to be adopted for this. Seventh question is, discuss how you would implement and evaluate a marketing program. Eighth one is, describe different budgeting technique and explain which is most appropriate for a university. Library. Write a short note on quality improvement efforts, time and motion studies, OR in libraries, traits, theory of leadership, problems of output measurement. Next, जून 2022 के क्वेश्चन है ये. Discuss in brief the salient feature of modern theory of management. Describe the different models of organizational structure. Discuss the features of a good organizational structure. Discuss the element, relevance, and importance of total quality management in libraries. Enumerate different monitoring and controlling techniques. Discuss MIS in detail. Explain Maslow's theory of hierarchy of needs with the help of a diagram. Describe the modification suggested by Eldfer. Next question is, differentiate between autocratic and democratic style of leadership. Discuss the important functions and activities of a leader. Explain different method of financial estimation. State which method is appropriate for academic libraries. Eighth one is, discuss the procedure of selecting appropriate marketing mix for e-marketing of information products and services. Write a short note on principle of planning, Beer's model of change, flow process chart, methods of cost analysis, supply of information. December 2022 के questions. Discuss the development of the neoclassical theory of management with special emphasis on the human relation school and factors that influence choice of a strategy. Third one is, enumerate network analysis technique. Discuss any one of them in detail with suitable diagrams. Fourth one is, describe the different types of systems with suitable examples. Discuss the steps involved in designing a system. Fifth question is, what type of conflicts generally occur in an organization and how these can be resolved. Sixth question is, define costing. Discuss why it is important in libraries. Describe various elements of cost. Seventh question है, what do you understand by a budgeting control system? Discuss its merits and demerits. What is e-marketing? Discuss how it can be implemented in libraries and information centers. Ninth question is, write a short note on models of organizational structure, quality circles, evaluation of information services, trait theory of leadership, market segmentation. जून 2023 के previous year questions है. First is, describe modern management theory. Discuss the applicability of management theories in libraries and information centers. Describe major forms of formal organizational structure. Discuss the feature of a good organizational structure. Third one is, what is management by objectives, MBO. Discuss its benefits and limitations in libraries and information centers. How do you measure performance of a library? Explain the different measures along with their respective merits and demerits. Fifth one is, explain major factors that shape human behavior. Discuss any two content theories of motivation. Sixth question is describe the functions and activities of leadership. Discuss the factors that contribute to effective leadership. Seventh question is what do you understand by marketing approach? Discuss the relevance of market research for information products and services. Eighth question is discuss the important factors to be considered in the formulation of a budget. Discuss in brief different methods of financial estimation. The ninth question is write a short note on Kurt Levin's model of change, flow charting, human resource planning for library and information centers, methods of cost analysis, e-marketing benefit to user and providers. So hey guys, hope आप सबके लिए ये लेक्चर बेनिफिशियल रहा होगा. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.